Have you ever met someone who is incredibly smart? They have a college degree, a great job, a good salary. Everyone believes they're successful, yet somehow they're constantly worried about money. Their credit cards are full, their savings account is nearly empty. And every month, they're waiting for the next paycheck. How is that possible? Shouldn't smart people naturally become wealthy? Surprisingly, no, because intelligence and financial intelligence are two completely different skills, and understanding that difference could completely change your financial future. Most of us spend years learning how to make money. We study, we earn degrees, we develop professional skills. We work hard to increase our income. But almost nobody teaches us what to do after we earn that money. That's why many high income earners still struggle financially. The first mistake is believing that earning more automatically means becoming richer. Imagine someone gets promoted. Their salary increases by 20%. Instead of saving the extra income, they immediately upgrade everything: a bigger apartment, a newer car, a luxury vacation, more expensive restaurants, more subscriptions. Within a few months, their lifestyle has become more expensive than ever. They earn more, but they don't keep more. Their paycheck grows. Their wealth doesn't. This is called lifestyle inflation. And it's one of the biggest reasons smart people stay broke. The second mistake is confusing expensive things with valuable assets. Buying the newest smartphone might feel exciting. Driving a luxury car might impress people. Designer clothes might boost your confidence. But most of these purchases lose value almost immediately. Real wealth usually grows quietly. Instead of buying things that lose value, financially successful people focus on assets. Assets are things that have the potential to increase in value or generate income. Investments, businesses, rental properties, or even learning valuable skills that increase your future earning power. The goal isn't to look wealthy. The goal is to become wealthy. Another common mistake is ignoring financial education. Many professionals spend years becoming experts in medicine, engineering, law, technology, but they never spend a few hours learning about investing, budgeting, taxes, compound growth, or managing debt. Imagine spending 10 years learning how to earn money, but 0 years learning how to grow it. That's like filling a bucket with water while it has holes in the bottom. No matter how much water you pour in, you'll never keep it. Money works the same way. Financial education helps you keep more of what you earn. Then there's something that affects almost everyone today: comparison. Every day we open social media, we see luxury vacations, expensive watches, beautiful houses, brand new cars. It looks like everyone is getting richer except us. But social media only shows the highlight reel. It doesn't show the loans, the credit card debt, the financial stress, or the sacrifices happening behind the scenes. Trying to keep up with other people's lifestyles is one of the fastest ways to damage your own finances. The wealthiest people often don't feel the need to prove they're wealthy. They understand something important. Money is a tool, not a performance. Another powerful difference is how wealthy people think about every dollar. Most people ask, "What can I buy?" Wealthy people ask, "What can this dollar earn?" That small change in thinking creates completely different results over time. $1 spent on impulse disappears. $1 invested has the opportunity to grow for years. Multiply that decision hundreds of times, and the difference becomes enormous. Finally, smart people sometimes fall into another trap: overthinking. They wait for the perfect investment, the perfect business idea, the perfect time. Months become years. Years become decades. Meanwhile, someone with less knowledge but consistent action quietly builds wealth. Perfection rarely creates success. Consistency does. Saving a little every month, investing regularly, learning continuously, avoiding unnecessary debt. These habits may seem small today, but over 10 or 20 years, they become life changing. Here's the truth: you don't need to be a genius to become financially successful. You don't need the highest salary. You don't need to predict the stock market. You simply need better money habits than you had yesterday. Spend less than you earn. Save before you spend. Invest consistently. Keep learning and give your money time to grow, because wealth isn't built by the smartest people. It's built by the people who make smart financial decisions over and over again. At the end of the day, your future won't be determined by your IQ. It will be determined by the habits you choose. Starting today,